Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my
Alright guys, so in today's video, long awaited, long overdue, we're going to finally go ahead and put these mirrors that we got. Hell, I forgot I had them, honestly. I got another set from Cortez. However, I need the mounting software or the mounting hardware for it, so we're just gonna run with these. So basically, per the instructions, what you have to do is drill 3/8 holes in the door, insert plastic screws, secure mirror assembly with self-tapping screws, slide cover back with the mirror, and then do that. So pretty straightforward. There's one for the driver's side. Well, actually they're both the same actually. So yeah, we got two of them. Like I said, I forgot I had these. I know it was some stuff that was on the board that needed to be done, but you know, I just hadn't gotten to it. You know, it is what it is. So today is what we're about to get into, and I'm gonna just do a time lapse because time lapses are cool, right? And they don't require your attention, so I can just do me, and y'all can watch. So get y'all situated. All right, so I had to do a little bit of finagling, but you know, as things go on, you find out the best way that stuff works. But we got the mirror on, looking good to go. It's on there, it's 30. You know what I'm saying? You can move it in, move it out, no issues. I hate this damn gimbal. Damn gimbal. I'm out here naked. Got my phone out the case trying to get this smooth footage. But yeah, as you can see, moves in, moves out, no issue. Right where we needed to be. So we're gonna get this other side put on, and then there'll be one more thing out the list. Oh yeah, we also gonna go ahead and knock out this glove box that Cortez gave us from his C10. This one was not missing the bottom part, so it'll get up on there and latch and be good to go. Like I said, man, he definitely got me motivated doing his C10 and everything, so we're gonna get that put in here as well. Yeah, see, this one was already painted, but as you can see, it just falls right down. However, as you can see at the bottom here, it has no holes to do the screwing. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 holes right there. That'll hold the glove box. That'll hold our glove box up there and be good to go. So let me go ahead and get this other mirror put on, and I'll cut you back on. All right, so on this side, we're gonna do the exact same thing, opposites. This actually looks like it has some holes. I may not have to re-drill them. I'm gonna see if the screws that it came with is good to go. I mean, cause they might thread off in there. I don't know. But if it's one less thing I had to do, man, then it's fine by me. This is probably a certain thread pitch though. I could probably make it work though. Yeah, I think we can make that work. All right, we're gonna make it work. Time lapse. All right, so as you can see, we got the Mirrors on, it has a nice little touch to it. You know what I'm saying? They big and bulky, but they good with me. They good with me. I almost ran into a little issue, or so I thought that I was, on this mirror. But basically what you gotta do is you gotta turn, you can flip this, the actual part. So you just twist this, it rotates on that axis, and you're good to go. So, another one for the books. I gotta get ready to go to work. I won't bore y'all with another video when I put this glove box in. I just don't have the screws to do it. So I'm gonna go to work. When I go to work, I'll grab those little self-tap. I mean, they ain't nothing but some self-tapping screws. 4 of them, not that long. And get the glove box mounted and we Gucci, man. We Gucci. So until next time, remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.